Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sir, this petition is brought under Article 28, 29, 30, 37, 41, 119, and 119 of the Constitution of Kenya, and Section 5, 4B, 16A of the Employment Act regarding the fate of the former employees of KUSCO Limited. Mr. Speaker, sir, the undersigned petitioners are citizens of Kenya who largely reside in Mombasa County and are largely in the coastal region, and they are former employees of Kenya United Steel Company, known as KUSCO, and wish to draw the attention of the Senate on the fate of the said citizens upon termination of their employment. Mr. Speaker, sir, the facts of the case are that the undersigned 163 people were employed by the company called Kenya United Steel Company Limited, herein referred to as KUSCO. The company is based in Mombasa, Jomvu sub-county of Mombasa County. Mr. Speaker, sir, the petitioner were illegally dismissed from their employment but were not compensated by the employee. Instead, the company was sold and the employees left languishing in poverty. Mr. Speaker, sir, the petitioners, through Joseph Ashioya and 171 others, filed the matter before the High Court in Mombasa under petition number 703 of 2011. That the matter, Mr. Speaker, sir, was subsequently transferred to the Mombasa Employment and Labour Court and was subsequently dismissed by the High Court. Mr. Speaker, sir, at the time they went to court, the petitioners were claiming a total sum of 35,813,990 shillings. The amount was as follows. Salaries were amounting to 5,974,791 and other benefits amounting to 29,839,199. Mr. Speaker, sir, there was also the sum of 12,342,644 owed to their SACCO. These are savings which the employees had made with their SACCO. Mr. Speaker, sir, when the company was placed under receivership, PricewaterhouseCoopers Limited were appointed as the receiver manager. The Labour officer also filed a report dated 16th April 2014 indicating that the claimants were employees of Kenya United Steel Company Limited. The Labour officer recommended that the receiver manager to pay the claimants all their dues worked for the period from September 2003 up to December 2003. Mr. Speaker, sir, the petitioners rely on they allege that the regulators or the receivers declined to make the payment, and as a result, they violated Article 10 and 232 of the Constitution of Kenya and national values, principles of governance, and public service, including negating the requirement of high standards of professional ethics in their work. Mr. Speaker, sir, the petitioners have suffered inhuman and degrading treatment as a result of their failure to be paid for their work that they had done with the Kenya United Steel Company. Mr. Speaker, sir, allow me to read the prayers because the petition is long. We humbly request the Senate, one, to investigate into the issue of termination and compensation of the former employees of Kenya United Steel Company, referred to as KUSCO, in this petition with a view to establish whether the matter was done within the law and was just and fair. Number two, invite Kenya United Steel Company, the then directors, Kenya United Steel Company, PricewaterhouseCoopers Limited, the Department of Labour and all other respondents and their directors to answer questions regarding this matter of compensation. Number three, recommends that Kenya United Steel Company and their directors do remit to the petitioners the sum of 12,342,644 owed to them by their SACCO, which was not remitted. Mr. Speaker, sir, the committee recommends that the sum of Kenya shillings 35,813,990 being the outstanding wages and benefits be paid to the petitioners, they so pray. Signed by Omar Ali Mwajabu and 9 others, Your Honor, Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 15th of June, 2021. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.